Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change a shape in Lucidchart. All right. It's actually pretty simple. Just go ahead and select a pre-made shape. For example, the shape right here. All right. I'm just going to move the text and I'm going to click on the shape. And as you can see here, we have the change shape button or option. So just click on it. And as you can see here, we have a ton of selection. For example, just hover your mouse onto a shape and go ahead and click on it. For example, this one, like that. As you can see, it is now changed. All right. Now, for example, you wanted to change multiple shapes. All right. Now I'm going to click on this shape right here. And then I'm going to click and hold and control key on my keyboard. Okay. I'm going to click on the other shape just like this. And this one. Okay. Now I'm going to click on the change shape button. Just click on it. Now, for example, I wanted to change it like this one. I'm just going to click on it. And as you can see here, these three have been changed as well. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.